Hi, today we're going to learn all about audio. Okay, this is pretty straightforward. I'm going to show you how to use it, how to switch it on and off and recording or non-recording. It's pretty straightforward. So go to camera, we've got camera 1 here, going live, go to encode. So now to activate recording for the audio, it's pretty straightforward. Click on smart codec here, more, audio, okay, apply. Simple as that. Now your audio will record onto the hard drive with the video footage. That is straightforward. If you want to get audio on your phone or mobile device, even easier. Click on here, more, audio, okay, apply. Now on your phone or remote device, you're going to be able to listen. No, that's simple as that. Okay then, now for those of you who don't want to have audio at all, you can even switch it off completely, direct from the camera. So we're going to show you to do that. So here from the same menu, we go to PTZ. As you can hear, the camera is live now, and we're going to turn that off. So click on here, the iris plus sign, like all PTZ menus, to bring up the ASDA menu. Okay, and we've got the menu. Now scroll down to advanced. Okay, click on the plus again, and then you'll see audio mode. Scroll down to that, just go right once, off. Simple as that. Now go down to return, hit plus, and now go to exit, hit the plus again, save, hit the plus again, yes, and now the audio is disabled on the camera completely. No recording, no live audio, nothing. And you can just turn it on in the same way. Okay, well that sums up how to use the audio on the OYN-X system. Thank you, and see you next time.